Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad W. Rifai. I'm from Univ Binasara Informatika, and I will share you guys my opinion about reference Ahmed Al-Kaf controversy in Bahrain versus Indonesia. Here are the laws of the games. The referee of Omani Ahmed Al-Kaf sparked a number of controversies that ruined Indonesia victory over Bahrain in the tenth match of Group C of the 2026 World Cup qualifier here in the ASEAN zone. Here's an explanation of the laws of the games. The Indonesian national team was forced to settle for a same score against Bahrain at the Bahrain National Stadium in FIFA on Thursday, October 10, 2024. Bahrain took the lead in the 50 minutes before Indonesia turned the score around the two and one through goals from Rahman going in the 45 plus 3 minutes and Rafael Struijk in the 74 minutes. However, Bahrain managed to equally decide in the 90 plus 9 minutes, despite only 6 minutes of added time. Regarding this made reform for Indonesia language referee Ahmadi Djafri from Sulawesi assessed that matches going beyond injury time is actually perfectly legal. He believed that the referee was may differ from the normal time or the time shown on television. It's true, that is 6 minutes, but we have to look at the reference watch. The reference used to force the reference can stop the clock if there's a foul or a player is injured. Meanwhile, normal time on television continues, so there could be a difference, said Ahmadi Djafri. However, Ahmadi tended to highlight other aspects of the referee leadership. The General Secretary Sekum of the Sulawesi Football Association or SSI essence said the reference Ahmed Al-Kaf was biased in favor of the home team. Bahrain last minute goal should have been checked by VAR first, but the reference did not because there was a potential offside, he said. In fact, in you in you look at Indonesia goals, it was checked by VAR first. Why wasn't not Bahrain goals checked by VAR? The final whistle blew, and the match ended immediately, he adds. Furthermore, Ahmad decided that the referee Ahmad Al-Kaf was too quick to give ball to Indonesia players. He even pointed out that several Indonesia players were fouled by Bahraini players. And the same points will do by a world-class reference official. Then personally, I think this referee was biased in favor of the home team Bahrain. He explained that Ahmadi hopes these incidents will draw the attention of the FT in the future. He hopes that referees selected will no longer be from the same regional body. Mr. Eric Thohir must fight an objective with the FT. Although the result of this match is final, it can be used as an evaluation from for future match. He said, "What we want is for there to be no more preferred officiating matches from the same regions. It's better if they are from different regions," he adds. So that's my opinion about. Okay, that's all. My opinion about reference Ahmad Al-Kaf controversy in Bahrain versus Indonesia in part 1. And next we have a part 2 is named simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Understanding simple present tense. The simple present tense comes from the word simple, meaning simple actually done, and present meaning now. Tense itself is a verb that is indicates the time of an event. The simple present tense is generally used to describe the event that have become habitual action. The verb used in the simple present tense is the first form of the verb, like verb 1. Function and user of the simple present tense. The function of the simple present tense is to express fact, habit, truth, and situations that are permanent in nature, as reported on the BBC Learning English page. Example of adverb of frequency. Instead of the previous explanation, we can summarize the example of adverb of frequency: definite and indefinite. Definite adverb of frequency, we have daily, weekly, monthly, annually, hourly, and indefinite, always, mostly, frequently, often, and something. There are several other explanations of the function of the simple present tense, namely, the simple present tense is used to express general truth or fact. Example sentences: Indonesia, like Indonesia is a country in Southeast Asia. The simple present tense is used to describe a habit or daily activity. Example sentences like Andy always eats healthy food. The simple present tense is used to make simple statement which can be general applicable at any time or not general. Using the verb be, example sentences: He is so handsome. Characteristic of the simple present tense sentences. Quoted from the book of Vocabulary in English by Dr. Tursan Hakim, the characteristics of simple present tense sentences are characterized by frequently used adverb of frequency including 5, 3 times a week, always, mostly, often, and something. Simple present tense adverb of times. The adverb of times commonly used is every. For example, every morning on Monday can mean every day. Eh, sorry, every Monday. In the at time, for example, in the evening or at night. Sentences partner of the simple present tense. In general, the simple present tense sentence partners is subject, verb 1, as, is, of, object, and adverb. And subject I, you, they, we, verb 1, or he, she, it, like use as and is as a s or is to the first verb is if the subject is the third person. To be is, I'm, are, predicate noun or adjective. Complement is adverb. Common tense mistake like she is working here since 2015. She has worked here since 2015. He had leave leave when I arrived. He had leave when I arrived. I am agree with you. I agree with you. Short answer, simple present tense, positive and negative. Like yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, you do. No, you don't. Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Yes, he does. No, she doesn't. Not. Mini dialogue simple present tense. Like, would, wouldn't. Are you are you sick? You look so well. To say it, no, I am not. But I'm so hungry. Do you have money? Yes, I am. But I think my money is not enough to buy meal meatball. It is my money. You can use it. Oh, thanks, Odin. Good mission. Simple present tense formula, positive sentences formula subject like subject verb 1 to be like using I'm, is, and are. Negative sentence formulas useless subject auxiliary like do and does not bear infinitive or subject to be am, is, are, and not. Interrogative sentence formula to be subject or do does subject bear infinitive. Recap of key point. In conclusion, the simple present tense can be used when you want to talk about things that happen continuously in the present, such and as activities every day, every week, or and even every month. Simple present tense formula. From here, I take the important point of subject verb agreement, the use of do or does for negative and interrogative sentences, the correct use of adverb of time. So yeah, that's all about simple present tense and about my opinion on Indonesia versus Mandarin. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.